Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox frame drops. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox frame drops, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we go to click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox and you click. Then in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone and you can wait 1 minute and then you can turn on your phone again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.